Okay, Brookie, show Daddy how you're going to do your show and tell today for Family Day at Show and Tell. Show Daddy what we're going to do. All right, show it to me. Who is that?
Me.
And then who else?
Me.
Slide the next picture. Who is that?
Me and Tyler.
And slide the next picture.
That's Nanny and me.
Okay, and who's the next picture?
That's only me.
Only you. And next picture?
And that's only me too.
All right, next one. Oh, you might have to slide the other way. Again.
That's me the other.
Right, all right, just slide. Because I think you kind of started in the middle. Okay, who's that?
Me.
And who?
Blake and Tyler.
Let me see it. Show it to Daddy. Are you ready for Family Day?
Yeah.
Tell Daddy you love him.
I love you.
Do you want Daddy to come home tonight? Yeah? Wait, I thought you wanted to snuggly wuggly with me.
I am in the middle of the night.
Oh, okay. All right, well, tell Daddy to bring you a what?
Let's fly.
All right. Bye, honey.